Hello friends, Miss Abraham here. I am going to show you or walk you through how to add focus notes to your eBinder in any of your classes. So let's get started. You can have your eBinder up, and in my last video, which was a Chromebook tutorial, I actually was able to bookmark my eBinder, and you can see that right here. So if you want to know how to bookmark your eBinder so it's already at the top of your screen every day, then you can look at my Chromebook tutorial video or Chromebook how-to. All right, so this is my eBinder, and I have all of my tabs right here. Pretend these are folders in an eBinder. So let's say that I am in my ELA class and I need to add my focus notes. I will click on the plus sign, which is this, to add my focused notes. I'm going to click the plus sign, and then you can get them right from your drive. So that's what we're going to do here. All right, so I'm on my drive, and I'm going to scroll down and find my focus notes. But if I can't find them and I don't know where they are, I can always click this magnifying glass to search. So I'm going to click search, and I'm going to look up, and I hope I can find it. If it's not on there, oh, there we go. So I'm looking up vowels, which are focus notes from this vowels lesson that I have. These are the notes, so I'm going to click on the notes, press insert, and now in my ELA page, I see that I have my ELA page and I have these focus notes. So I'm going to click the little blue dot to scroll down so that I can make my focus notes larger. Now I have my focus notes in my eBinder, and I can see them, the teacher of the class can see them, and if we shared correctly, then parents or family members could also see all the great work we are doing in class. So just one more time, make sure you're on your eBinder, and then you click the plus sign from Drive, and you can search, or they might be at the top. I hope that this video helped, and thank you so much for watching.